All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you news and information about cryptocurrency, how to mine the coin, how to stake the coin, how to use that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Today, we're going to be talking about the cryptocurrency Ankr. Well, Ankr right now is down a little bit, about 4 or 5%. So we're going to check that out. We're going to go to the website. They got some updates going on there. Also, with new performance upgrades, implements Ethereum. So we're going to talk about that. Also, Bill Gates believes in the next 3 years that most office meetings are going to be on the metaverse. Yeah, you're going to put your headset on and you're going to walk in there and you're going to have like a character, an avatar. Yeah, we're going to see what Bill Gates says about that. And then the last thing we're going to talk about is on Twitter, the most popular cryptocurrencies, the top 20 that were talked about in the month of November. I think that's pretty important to kind of take it to the top 20, maybe save all the names and everything, check everything out. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, even one day maybe even own some cryptocurrency. So let's go ahead and head over to Ankr Cryptocurrency. All right, over here, Coin Market, Ankr is number 99th cryptocurrency on the planet. It's traded for about 10.5 cents right now. Now, this token was at 20 cents just a bit ago. We'll talk about that. But it's at 10 cents right now. It's down 5% in the last 7 days, but it is up 2% in the last 24 hours. Now, click on Ankr. Over here to the right, it's up about almost 2%, 1.5%. It's traded at 10.5 cents right this second. So if we go back to the last month, Ankr has been getting traded at around 12 cents. It went as high as 14 cents. Then it was 12 cents. Then it just skyrocketed all the way up here to 20 cents. So 20 cents, 11.26 of this year. Then it kind of came back down. Right now it's at 10 cents. It is up almost 2% in the last 24 hours. But in the last month, it has got to as high as 20 cents, just to know. All right, jumping over here to Ankr's Twitter account. Kind of big information and news. Ankr is going to implement Ethereum ETH for BSC. We're working on delivering the executed with a full node and then making compatible with the validator nodes. Together, we're improving Binance Smart Chains for all. All right, over here at the website, Multi-Chain Foundation for Crypto Economy. Ankr is the only platform that combines node infrastructure, staking, and DeFi to make development and earning easy. Your next step in crypto starts here. I'm a crypto investor. You can click that. I'm a developer. You can click that. We're going to click Enterprise here up at the top here. So when you click Enterprise, it says Ankr for Enterprise. Connect to Web3 security. It says connect to Web3 with our enterprise-grade node infrastructure blockchain API service for enterprise staking, DApps development, and analytics. Contact sales. So scrolling down a little bit. Same time and money with Ankr custom enterprise infrastructure. So you got a couple things here: node integration, data analytics, and API solutions. Everything you need in one place. This is what's kind of interesting. Monitoring, easily track the performance of nodes anywhere, anytime. Second thing, alert system. Well, the alert system receive alerts in case of any inconsistencies. That's kind of important. And the next thing is ticketing systems. Solves problems fast with our 24/7 customer support across all time zones. Get started with the future web. Again, contact sales. Who can build on Ankr? Exchanges, staking performance, staking platforms, wallet and custodials, DApp developers, blockchain projects, investment funds, all kinds of things you can build on Ankr. See what other builders with Ankr are saying? Right here, Coin One, it says the top tier Korean exchange Coin One integrated Ankr staking infrastructure to offer the users a convenient way of staking of TRX tokens and automatically receive rewards in their wallet. So there you go there. So there's definitely all kinds of things going on with Ankr. This token is right now at about 10 cents. It was at 12 cents. It went to 20 cents in the last month. We'll come back with our price prediction a little bit later. What does Bill Gates think? Bill Gates thinks that most of our meetings are going to be in the metaverse. Like we're going to be wearing a headphone set. Well, let's go ahead and see what he says. It says right here, most office meetings will take place in the metaverse within the next 3 years. Bill Gates says. It says you will be going to the office meeting in the metaverse within 3 years, or you'll at least, that's what Bill Gates thinks. The billionaire Microsoft founder made a major metaverse prediction in his famous year in review, the annual collection and reflection guesses about what will happen in the years to come. Well, within the next 2 to 3 years, he predicts that most virtual meetings will be moved from the 2D camera image grid, which I call the Hollywood Squares. I mean, probably like the Zooms and the Blue Jeans, all those different platforms. So it's going to move from the Hollywood Squares thing to, Gates believes, instead of a physical meeting in an office space, we will soon be using avatars to interact with similar ways, ideally using motion capture and audio technology to make the metaverse feel like a real life. It should be noted that Microsoft announced last month that it was launching Mesh, a platform for virtual teams to collaborate in a 3D space using customized avatars. The metaverse is part of the internet and made up of multiple platforms dedicated to virtual world building, which major companies have already began to invest in. The Meta, formerly known as Facebook, opens its metaverse platform Horizon Worlds to the public Thursday. Oh boy, the metaverse is coming. Gates wrote in his prediction that there will be some outstanding recent developments when it comes to digital activity, all spun on the pandemic, and there will be more to come. All spun on the pandemic, and there will be more to come. So I don't know, give us your thoughts in the bottom. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. All our information on the channel is for educational purposes only. So what do you think about that? So you're selling real estate, you're selling insurance, you're selling all kinds of things. Your office meetings are on Zoom or Blue Jeans or any of these Hollywood Squares that they're talking about. And in 2 to 3 years, we're going to put the headphones, the virtual thing on, and we're going to be walking into the thing as avatars and sitting down there. I don't know. Do you think that's going to happen? Bill Gates thinks it's going to happen. I mean, it could happen. I mean, it is happening in certain platforms, so I don't know. Give us your thoughts in the bottom. Real quick, here are the most discussed crypto on Twitter in November. Shiba Inu beats the biggest fair and square. So showing you the chart here. Shiba ranks out. And what is this chart for? It's basically the top 20 most discussed cryptocurrencies on Twitter in November of 2021. Here we go. Let's go ahead and start this. In 20th position, Matic at number 20, 1% of the people talking about Matic. At number 19, Cardano, 1%, number 19. Algorand is number 18 at 1%. The Sandbox at its number 17. Mana Decentraland is at number 16. Phantom is at number 15, 1.1%. Pancake Swap is at number 14, 1.1%. Avalanche is at number 12 at 1.6%. XRP is at number 11 at 1.9%. Here we go, the top 10. Polkadot is at 2% at number 10. Cardano is at 2.9% at number 9. BNB, 3%. Dogecoin Mars at number 7, 3.1%. SafeMoon, 3.1% at 6%. Dogecoin at 3.7%. Bitcoin at number 4 at 6.7%. Top 3. Solana was the third most on Twitter about cryptocurrency at 8.3%. Ethereum at number 2 at 10%. And Shiba Inu rounds out the top position, 16%. More people was tweeting about Shiba in the month of November. So I don't know, what do you think about the top 20 there? So basically, I would take those names and I would put them on some type of a graph or something that you're using, and some of those tokens you may want to pay attention to because a lot of people, the top 20, are talking about those on Twitter. So let's go ahead and head back over to Ankr with our price prediction. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, Ankr at number 99 at 10 cents. What's our price prediction? I think the coin's definitely going to bounce back to 15 cents, but it was at 20 cents in the last month. All our information is for educational purposes only. A lot of things going on with Ankr. A lot of people are liking it. A lot of things you can do with it. So it's in the top 100. So definitely trade it at 10 cents right now. Put it on your radar. A couple other things real quick. Ravencoin is down 6% last 7 days. IMX is down 18% in the last 7 days. So these could be some of your discount buys. Voyager token is down 16% in the last 7 days. T-Fuel is down 18% in the last 7 days. So what do you think about Bill Gates? We're all going to possibly be meeting in the metaverse here in the next 2 to 3 years. Ankr's got a lot of improvements and updates going on. What do you think about Ankr? A lot of good things going on in the top 20 on the Twitter, most talked about. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Click right here to see our most recent video, and today's one of these bonus videos on Sunday. Hey everybody, have a fantastic day.